Greetings to all. My name is Barreto Morales, and I'm currently completing my bachelor's studies in the program of biology in the InterAmerican University of Puerto Rico in the Aguadilla Campus, together with the collaboration of the doctor and mentor Elizabeth Padilla-Crespo and Dr. Nathan Reina from the Oshira Baptist University. We have developed this video to introduce you to the Heatmaps section in the cBioPortal for Cancer Genomics platforms. So with this introduction, let's start. So starting, this is going to be the main page of the cBioPortal for Cancer Genomics platform. We are going to select the tab that's named Query, and this will automatically present us a column to the left, as we can see, with various anatomical locations where different types of cancers have emerged. So for the purpose of this video only, we'll be selecting the adrenal gland. So when we do a right click in the adrenal gland, we are going to be presented with a type of cancer study on this platform. At the same time, we can see that there are various companies that have carried out studies for analysis of this type of cancers. In our case, we're going to select the adrenocortical carcinoma cancer with study managed by the TCGA Firehouse Legacy, in which they have an amount of 92 samples. After having selected the type of cancer we want to study, we're going to press the Explore Selected Studies panel. So after having selected the study, the platform directs us to the summary data that was made by the company for this type of cancer specifically. So for this video, we're going to be selected the tab that's going to read heat maps. And the information granted in this panel is going to be directed by the University of the MD Anderson Cancer Center. So to begin, let's summarize what is a heat map. These are tools used to visualize gene expression data in the context of expression profiling, genetics, and the discovery of biomarkers. This allows for a quick and easy identification of the genetic expression patterns that are associated with infections or specific treatments. So, in the left side of the information that is given to us by the MD Cancer Center, we can see what the heat maps criteria are. We can identify what is the type of cancers we want to study. As you can see, the type of platform we want to study and the type of heat maps that there are offered. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be selecting the RNA expression platform and the type of heat map that is gene probe versus sample. So with this, we can see the image and we can select it by clicking on it. So, okay, after having selected the type of heat map that we will be studying, they're going to appear two types of images. So when we go down, on our right side, we'll have the global image of the heat map. On our left side, we're going to have the centralized image of a specific area that we have selected. So to say more or less, when I select this area, it will appear on the left side with more amplification. In the upper right part, we will have the control panel. So as you can see, here it will give us a brief summary of what is the MD Anderson Cancer Center. So when we click on it, it will appear the information, and down in this selected area, we also have videos, tours, also of each control panel found within this platform that we'll be selecting to help us identify and recognize what each control within the platform is used for. So here a little example. As you can see here in the sub, we have the search option. Inside this bar, we can write the type of gene we would like to study. When we press it, it indicates some kind of instruction telling us that if we write some kind of gene and the bar turns red, it is indicating that the gene is not found inside the heat map. But if it turns the color yellow, it indicates to let us know that the gene or something similar can be found within the heat map. and we want to find a type of gene in a specific, we will have to do expose quotes before and after the gene we're searching for. So we will have an example to maybe show you better. So let's write in the space quote PTEN quote, and we're gonna search it. So as you can see here, as I type it, the quotes PTEN and quotes again, the gene is going to be selected on the global heat map, and also on our left side with is an area with a specific within the heat map. You can see that I select the type of gene we would like to look for. After having searched for the type of gene we want to look for within the heat map, it can give us a selection when we use the right click. So here I'm gonna go a little down to show you better the heat map. I'm gonna do a right click in the gene that I'm looking for. It's going to appear a variety of information on different platforms. The one we'll be selecting to display the gene within is the cBioPortal platform for Cancer Genomics. This will send us to another page in which we're going to see the gene information. So as it loads, you can see here that the first page that appears is the uncopied information, the cancer type summary, the plots, the mutation, the co-expression, the comparison and survival, the CNS segments, the pathways, and the download option. So here in the download option, it will download all the information of the gene in the computer. So okay, I hope that you like this video and it helps you understand how to work with this type of heatmap resources given by the cBioPortal platform, and that the information is going to be useful for your future research. Thank you.